Do your knees ache every time you climb stairs? Do your legs feel heavy, tired, or just not the same anymore? If you're over 50 and struggling with knee and leg pains, you're not alone, and this video might just change your life. Welcome to FitVibe, where we turn pain into power. Knee and leg pain isn't just a part of aging, it's a message from your body. But the good news is you don't have to live with it. Whether it's arthritis, muscle loss, or circulation issues, there are simple, science-backed remedies you can start using today. In this video, you'll discover the one stretch that eases knee pressure in 60 seconds, the anti-inflammatory spice hiding in your kitchen, and the forgotten toe trick that boosts leg circulation instantly. Plus, we reveal the #1 mistake most seniors make when trying to relieve joint pain, and how to fix it fast. Your legs carry the weight of your life. Don't let pain hold you back. Stick with us to the end, and we'll even share our FitVibe healing routine, trusted by thousands of older adults to stay mobile, pain-free, and full of life. So hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful health tips, and let's get those knees moving again.